Listen to this simple English conversation. Two people are talking, they speak slowly. You can understand, you can learn. Let's start. Good morning, Emma. How are you today? Good morning, Emma. How are you today? I am fine. I slept well last night. Oh, really? Why? Yes, that happens. Too much phone is not good. Good idea. Pause. Yesterday, I went to work. Then I came home. I ate dinner and I watched TV. Yes. Very simple. Oh, what did you do? Nice. Where did you go? Alone? What did you eat? Sounds good. Do you study English every day? How do you study? That's great. Repeating is very helpful. Do you speak with friends? You should practice more. What is difficult for you? That is normal. Yes, all beginners feel this. Just practice daily. Yes, I like it. Because I want to travel and I want to talk to people. What about you?
Hi. Good morning. I am good. A little tired, but okay. How about you? That's nice. I did not sleep well. I watched videos late at night. Then I could not sleep. I know. I will sleep early today. What did you do yesterday? Simple day. I had a busy day. In the morning, I cleaned my room. Then I studied English. Then I went outside. I went to a small cafe. Yes, alone. I like quiet places. I drank coffee and I ate a sandwich. Yes, and it was nice. Yes, I try every day. I listen to simple English, like this conversation, and I repeat. Yes, it helps me speak. Sometimes, but not much. Yes, I want to improve. Speaking fast is difficult. Also, finding words. Really? Okay, that makes me feel better. Yes, I will. Pause. Do you like learning English? Why? That's a good reason. I want a better job. English is important. Do you watch English movies? Same here. Me too. Pause. Yes, and sometimes I talk about my day. I say simple things. Yeah, it helps me think in English. What will you do today? Nice. I will clean my room again. Then I will practice speaking. Let's practice together tomorrow. Okay. See you tomorrow.
Yes, very important. Yes, but with subtitles. It helps me understand. Do you practice speaking alone? What do you say? That's very good. Exactly. Then pause. Today, I will work. Then I will study English. And you? Good plan. Pause. Yes, great idea. See you. Take care. Slow repeat section. Now, listen again. Repeat slowly. I am good. I am good. I am a little tired. I am a little tired. I did not sleep well. I did not sleep well. I watched videos late. I watched videos late. I will sleep early. I will sleep early. I had a busy day. I had a busy day. I went to a cafe. I went to a cafe. I study English every day. I study English every day. I listen and repeat. I listen and repeat. I want to improve. I want to improve. Speaking is difficult. Speaking is difficult. I will practice daily. I will practice daily until 4. Explanation section. Let's understand some sentences. Alright, so I am a little tired. This means not very tired, just a little, too. I did not sleep well. This means your sleep was not good. 3. I had a busy day. This means many things to do. 4. I want to improve. This means you want to get better. 5. I will practice daily. This means every day practice. Simple. Very simple. I am fine. How are you? Did you sleep well? Why? Oh, I see. Good idea.
Hi, how are you? I am okay. I am a little tired. No, I did not sleep well. I watched videos late. I will sleep early today. Practice section. Now repeat after me. I am fine. I am okay. I am tired. I did not sleep well. I will sleep early. I had a busy day. I went outside. I drank coffee. I study English daily. I listen and repeat. I want to improve. I will practice more. I can speak English. I am learning every day.